Hey guys, welcome to RevTech. Today I will show you a simple trick that will make you a better programmer. As a programmer, you have a responsibility of making your code as clear as possible, as efficient as possible, and as readable as possible, so that it can be read and enhanced by other developers. Today I will show you the proper way of naming your methods, your variables, and your classes. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. As you can see here guys, we have a method that returns the number of days left, and within that method we have a variable named d. If I was the programmer who hasn't worked on this code or who hasn't seen this code before, I wouldn't know what that d stands for. So when it comes to naming your variables, I would advise you guys to name your variables using descriptive words, such as in this case days left, right? This tells the other programmers what that variable is for, right? It holds the number of days left, right? And when it comes to naming your variables guys, I would suggest using pronounceable names and searchable names. Why searchable names? Given we had a long module of code and we wanted to search for this specific variable, if this variable was still named d, we would have a difficult time finding it. As you can see here, when I search for d, it returns everything that contains the letter d, and that is not what we want. But if I search for days left, the results are more filtered and more specific, which is what we want. Okay, now let's move on into naming our methods. When it comes to naming our methods guys, I suggest that you stick to naming your methods using verbs. In this case, I would name this method get days left, as this tells the other developers what the method actually does. It returns or it retrieves the number of days left. Simple. Now let's move on into naming our classes. When it comes to naming our classes guys, I suggest sticking to using nouns, naming words. In this case, I would change this class name from processor to processes, right? Now guys, as insignificant as this might seem, this can really go a long way guys, as it can make your code really readable to other developers, because the longer it takes for other developers to figure out your code, the less productive the team is, you know. That can significantly decrease the productivity of the team, and that is not what we want guys. We want to work cohesively, and we also want to work at a fast pace, really, you know. So yeah guys, this is really it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you really did like the video, please subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications when I upload more useful videos like this one. Thank you guys. That will be it for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.